Well, students, today I will share a tutorial video how to make a lesson table in Microsoft Excel. First, you need to open your Microsoft Excel. If you have the shortcut of Microsoft Excel in your desktop, you just need to double click. Okay, so it will be open. Then you just type lesson table and then less and day. Start from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And then you can type 1, 2, and then recess time, 3, 4, recess time, 5, 6, and 7. After that, you just need to make the merge cells. First, you need to select the cells. Start from day here, okay, until to these cells, and then click merge cells. Then you need to select cell C3 until to cell C4. Then choose merge and center. You can make the position of this text well, so please choose middle line here. Just click it. Okay. Next, you can make the border of all the text. Just click from the cells until the end. Okay. Until to age 13. And please click this border and choose all borders. Okay, next you can arrange the table well. Okay, and then you can merge the cells of recess. And these cells too. Okay, you have made how to merge the cells and make the border. Now continue to make the color. Start from day. Okay, you can make the color become red, dark red, and less is dark red. And recess time, you can change the color become yellow, and the other recess time you can make the color become yellow. And then you can make the bold of the text. Just choose B. Okay, finally you have made your table, and you can choose this lesson table and change the font type. Please click here, font type, and you can choose Broadway. Okay, next you need to arrange this position of the text. Just click all the cells and then choose center here. Okay, and the last, you can type all the lessons here. If you have done, you can make the lesson table like here. Okay, that's all the tutorial how to make the lesson table in Microsoft Excel.